Alright guys, more tips on improving your brake performance, your brake system performance. This is the rear master cylinder on this particular bike, but this will apply to any motorcycle really. If inside your master cylinder is a cruddy mess, as you notice, this one is very clean. Why? Because I just cleaned it. But if inside there's a lot of debris, maybe flakes of stuff, rust, who knows what is in there. So when you do a proper brake bleed, you should withdraw the fluid from this master cylinder first and clean all of this chamber out. You may have to use, some metal wire brushes or something on your drill, with little wire brushes or brass brushes or anything that you can thoroughly clean out this whole area, because this one was in pretty rough shape. So I just spent a few minutes, cleaning it all out, and now I'm doing another brake bleed and getting much better. Oh yeah, serious pedal performance now. This one was not holding pressure at all. It would come all the way down, and then I'd have to pump it up, and then it would only marginally hold. But as you see now, let me set this light in place here. As you see now, serious brake performance. And these are performance machine brakes on this particular bike, which if you may know, performance machine is the pinnacle of brakes, especially for for Harley Davidsons that aren't known for awesome braking power anyway. But anyway, I just want to throw that at you. Make sure you investigate inside of your master cylinder chamber. And if you've never rebuilt your master cylinder, I highly recommend it, because you got little passages in there that get really crusty and cruddy and just nasty, and there's no worse feeling on any vehicle as crappy brake performance. So, if you've already tried doing a basic brake bleed and it's just not happening, have a look inside your master cylinder. And, I could do a whole video on brake bleeds. In fact, one of our most popular ones is a brake bleed we did many years ago on a YZ250, but now we actually do an even better method. I use a Liqurovac. You can get one of these online or at Northern Tool or just about any basic store. This is, this has suction when you pull back on this lever here. So you would attach your hose to your bleeder screw on your brake caliper. So as if, you'd put it here, you may have to use a little zip tie or a safety wire or whatever. And then you'd put your little wrench, on the bleeder screw. Then you can slightly crack it open and make sure your master cylinder is full of fluid. Then pull back on this and it will create a natural vacuum that will start withdrawing the fluid out through the brake system and into your little tank here. And I tell you, it is a fantastic way. I know a lot of people struggle with bleeding their brakes, or they just can't get good firm brakes, so they blame it on who knows what. But if you can make sure you've got a good clean system and good, good crush washers here, make sure that this is clean also. Inside there, that bleeder screw area, it could be crusty inside there as well. So it just depends on your scenario, but you very well may need to completely disassemble your brake caliper setup, and that can be a tough one, depending on what model you have. But yeah, if you're looking for an easy way to bleed your brakes, get you one of these. It's just this is used for so many things as far as withdrawing fluids out of anything. It's fantastic. Anyway, if you want a tip on brake bleeds, there's my tip. Get you one of those, save your life. Anywho, that's it. We were just investigating some poor braking performance, and as of now, oh yeah, look at that. Firm as can be. And make sure you use the correct fluid, you know, .4, .5, whatever. This one is .5. And you don't want to mix fluids as well. You don't want to put a 4 with a 5. Some people don't even want to put different brands of fluids together, which is probably a good idea. So, you know, if you're going to bleed your brakes, make sure you bleed it thoroughly with whatever new fluid you have. So, look at that. Perfect. Anyway, that was troubling me, and we have it resolved. So that's it. Check out other videos on this bike and other bikes and cars and trucks and lawnmowers and stuff. Watching a little Swap Moto on the Transworld app. And anywho, that's it. Biker Dave in the shop, fiddling with the Harley. Y'all have a good evening. We'll see you.